Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Komisi banta banyarap iki Pulit penyat kali bakin yo banre nau slap banna kala air uba Sanbor Shulai UMLA ka South Shillong constituency ha kasi palay ulaple padba ya ka traffic boot halaban Red Cross kabaratay naka discretionary grant UMLA kabashilak laipho hajar tingka bad ula Aiti senan siya ka Shillong traffic police ban penan kam habakran ha kajingalang balingkot syuaban Aiti uba Sanbor ulaong baka jingte ya ka police boot kadai hadin ka jing od jing nam jang kipat ba bat khamtam bakani kathan kadai kababun palat ki kali banyat banyeng bat ru ki nonglet nongwan bat kanie kadon ya ki jaka pule jaka sumar bat kayo kahat ulaong bakani ka boot kanirap ya ki Pulit traffic bakin la ban khami bat peniat renti ya ka jing yat ki kali ha kani ka jaka ha kani ka sngi layadon langru USP traffic uke prasad lembat kiwei ki he Pulit urang ba asnong bat kinong yalam shnong hadien ganie uba Sanbor Shulai ulaple saya kapan khana ne ka use and pay toilet kabalate da ka Shillong municipal board lengba ka Swachh Bharat mission kabakot sanlak tingka uba Sanbor ulaong baka jing thumu bante ya ka ne kapan khana kalong bakipat ba bat kinong let nongwan kinyo ban pindan kam bat ula kentui kipat ba bakin sumar bat kin long ki bale khut.
And from today, and hand over this lock and key to Honorable SP. And from today onwards, you can. It is your property. You can utilize it. Thank you. Eyes away, on the request of the general public and also the shopkeepers, and we are here. We are surrounded by. If you go to the left side, you are reaching Bharat Scout and Guides institution, Pine Mount School. If you go to the right side, you will see plenty of shop here. This is a Red Cross. We have Umsherpi College. We have Red Cross Hospital dispensary, and downwards you will see there are lots of clinics, and we have also school there, like the Bengali boys, the Bengali girls schools, and we have the Muslim LP school, and this place is very a busy place. This is a market place, and the problem that we are facing now, and based on the request of the general public of the entire Laban area and Greater Laban area, that we need urgently a police boot. Here a police boot has to enable the traffic department to regulate the flow of traffic, and also to see that the safety of the pedestrians, especially the students and the children. So today, with the blessing of God, we have all 60 MLA. We are getting since last year 20 lakhs in the form of a discretionary grant, and through this 20 lakhs, I have sanctioned 1,30,000 to set up this police boot for the interest of the police traffic department and for the interest of the general public. And later on, after the handing over of this police boot to the authority of the traffic department in presence of Honorable SP Prasad, then we will go down, a little bit down, where we are going to inaugurate the public urinal toilet and urinal system in the form of pay and use toilet and urinal system. This is also the long aspiration of the people of Greater Laban, especially the people of our Laban area, because they don't have this toilet and urinal facilities. So we have also discussed with Prasad, Latyang and Marngar also, with the headman, members of the Dorbar, maybe after a few months, after the completion of the Laban's supermarket complex, after shifting of all those shopkeepers, we will be able to set up that police will be free. So we'll set up one more police booth in Adiaudak Laban. One more. So with these few words,
and then people to allow the people, the pedestrian, to walk safely. And then in the course of time, you had to discuss with Sanbor, and he's kind enough, and under his initiative, and then his recommendation, and plus funded by him, this police boot from the discretionary grant. Please give a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. So we have seen a series of foundation that has been translated into action. So now we are very proud, and then we are very grateful to him, and then the police personnel also will be able to use this police boot to protect them from the rain and from the heat, and then also to kindly work effectively for the safety of the pedestrian speeding vehicle that I've mentioned before. Thank you very much. Now I'll hand over.
The grassroots of the Lawan, the dedicated MLAs, sir, they considered that in donating the traffic booths, we should create the space for the traffic personnel, especially in the rain, in order to regulate the traffic. This is a very important step. We are really expressing our gratitude on behalf of the STP and my officers who are present here. This will indeed help the traffic personnel to regulate the traffic, as it was already mentioned, that this is a very important point which leads to the different directions. And here the presence of the traffic police is very important. In absence of any traffic booths, it's become very difficult, especially in the bad weathers. So by creating the space, we express our gratitude to our honorable MLA that through your generous supports and the proactive supports of the Darbar, of the Lawan Darbars, and the people in general, that have contributed to the need of the traffic personnel. As on behalf of the STP, we want to express our gratitude to all those who are present here, especially to our honorable MLAs, the headmen, secretaries, and all the executive members of the Darbars and the people in general of Lawan. Thank you.
Dr. Aiti.
Ini di sanitation inspector juga municipal basotun yang ITFI, but dia penyihat kublesi ada ru ya kecing ya rapu jubin department mah. Kublesi bun ban.
And then your contribution, nyai kublai MLA kijing don kan ini jing pelai por jing babanon ki executive member baru bodon ini kublesi bun committee Lawan.
Bud penyihat bet nanti te shua bangan ngin kut no sendon so mga ai kublai ya piporo but ai boli bud penyihat ne basotun. From the DG grant of the MLA district grant 1,30,000 and the public toilet and urinal system. This has been sanctioned for an amount of rupees 5 lakh from the Shillong Municipal Board under the Swas Bharat mission. So thank you so much all the officials of the CEO and all the engineers of the Shillong Municipal Board who have accepted our proposal for this very necessary toilet urinal facilities. And with these few words, once again I would like to
Female at Red Cross Laban sanctioned on the Swachh Bharat mission Urban 2023-24 initiated and recommended by Sri Sanbor Shulai MLA Chairman FTDC. So again, it's a long-felt need of the people of Laban, especially the driver association and the public at large, to have a unused toilet to attend to the call of the need right here in Laban. So from the Dr. Strong, we are trying a little bit to find a suitable place for construction of public toilet. And then we are very thankful and grateful to the Honorable MLA after we had requested him, and then straight away he said, yes, we will sanction from the discretionary grant an amount of from Municipal Department Swachh Bharat Mission 2023-24. And then we would request all of you to kindly keep it clean and then kerpat ya baro kinong sok ni la biak pelon kam ya kani public toilet bersobha ban le khoj ban sumar bha kani kadim ta jongpi ba pin pet e kibri ru bawan na bar mem tai ba chule almu ba chule bar pasar sabah sei pinom sa kata namang ila don ya kani public toilet thang ni ba kin pelon kam ya ka ban sumar khoj ya ka ban kumju ru ni ai khuble ya baro kinong sok kumba pilatip ka basic amenities ni don kam food shelter and clothing hagju ka poru ni don kam ya kani ka junong kam jong brio hagaba un relief ya ka pressure jong ka junglong hagamet
ubrio ya kam pa ba le rani ban su ne bomla sha ban tu pihak kensan daga kensan tega ru kalau ngumju i den teng sliu po hakap tu ko por bingon inspection mencim senam idon kilong kumi driver taxi ma kelip ya beli su sana kiong gar pengin poi don teng ni habli kliang patun kalalat no ka bopniher apa patun tengi sungok kadang-kadang kajing tang ngebelas lem maju kinong song nang jongi tengi layo sana kawai tega layo relief at least kalau 50% bila layo relief tega ba arapat kalau bangi layo penben baka door senong baka traffic department mentan ngi penben tangdap ketika yo ka laban municipal supermarket kita kinong yo nang tu apa yo dak in kriya yaki kan salat no kan selong free hang tu gin bu sakoi ka police boot ka pakam he ka police boot ka pakam he pat hang tu ngilaban bu sakoi ka kum kare ka public ka jakali li sujo ki pa mo pareng wong public toilet and urinal system ngi kasi yong ka jakali su le jongki pa hang tu rungin sayo sakoi takanang yarap susu nomor hang te ayo dak ru hoi apo ayo kandon hi bar hang tu kalong pa te hang te ayo dak ru kalong kumju hi plai gitu